like a month ago. So anyway, I'm just gonna edit that part out. Apple's next iPhone USB-C faster charger. Okay, so Apple is basically gonna have a faster charger with the new iPhone that does not plug into a new MacBook without a dongle. Well, let's just say the new MacBooks, you have to literally buy an extra accessory part just to plug your phone or your flash drive or your hard drives into your computer. I will have a couple of these screenshot photos above me, what this thing will look like. Basically, it's a leak. Someone leaked this out. It's basically a little square. Well, it basically looks like. Again, this is not an Apple USB thing. It basically will look like the little square, but it will have this part right here will be smaller. So again, this is not an Apple, this is a Huey, so I'm just saying on that one. So again, it's basically, that's what it's gonna look like. You can't plug your phone into your MacBook Pro without a dongle. It's a pain in my ass. I don't have the new MacBook Pro, but it's worth checking out. So, I would not recommend you getting a new MacBook because the new MacBook really, I just don't like it. I'm like, just use the older one. That's it. I don't like the touch bar. I hate the touch bar. The touch bar on a MacBook Pros are not supposed to have any touch bar. I like a mouse and a keyboard for a computer. I'm just saying, that's my rant on the touch bar. Alright? If I want to scroll, I can use the touchpad mouse. Hint! Touchpad mouse if I want to scroll up and down on my screen. You know, I'm just saying, if I want to edit touch screen, I might as well just edit on my phone. I'm just saying on that one. So, I would not even recommend editing on your phone because it's insanely stupid. Insanely stupid. I'm just saying, it just really irritates me. It just irritates me. I'm just saying. So apparently, the Apple included the fast charging in the iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and the iPhone 10, but did not include necessary charger to take advantage of the thing. I'd almost have to buy a third-party charger of the $50 30-watt charger from Apple. Comment below of what do you like about Apple and what do you not like about Apple? Do you like the USB-C on the MacBook Pro? Is this insane? Or is Apple just fooling us again over and over again this year? So let me know in the comments below. Hit that comment button below and make sure you subscribe for more videos like this. And make sure you follow me all over it of AdSeries Live. And see ya, peace, bye, and subscribe for more videos on my Apple rants. Because you know what, I am cheating, I have an Android for Apple. Ha. Okay? So yeah, make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you follow me all over it of AdSeries Live, and see ya, peace, bye, and subscribe.